Hello dear students, welcome back to the online class. Today in your English grammar class we will complete the chapter number 10 of your English grammar book, which is the grammarian. The work will be done in the notebook. So be ready to do the notebook work. First of all, you write down the number of the chapter and name of the chapter on the new page. Number of the chapter is chapter number 10. Name of the chapter is compound personal pronouns. Then we have to describe what are the compound personal pronouns. Compound personal pronouns are formed by adding the suffix self or selves to personal pronouns. कंपाउंड पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस क्या होते हैं? जब हम पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस के साथ सेल्फ और सेल्फ्स सफिक्स ऐड कर देते हैं, देन दे आर कॉल्ड कंपाउंड पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई सेल्फ, योर सेल्फ, हिमसेल्फ, हरसेल्फ एंड इटसेल्फ एज द सिंगुलर फॉर्म. अगर प्रोनाउन सिंगुलर फॉर्म में है, देन वी ऐड सेल्फ एज सफिक्स. इफ द प्रोनाउन इज इन प्लूरल फॉर्म, देन वी ऐड सेल्व्स, योर सेल्व्स, आवर सेल्व्स एंड देमसेल्व्स एज द प्लूरल फॉर्म्स. The compound personal pronouns are used in the following two ways. Yes, the compound personal pronouns are used in two ways. One is as reflexive pronouns and second is as emphatic pronouns. First, we will describe what are the reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are words like myself, yourself, ourselves, etc. They refer back to a person or thing. We often use reflexive pronouns when the subject and the object of a verb are the same. Yes dear students, reflexive pronouns हम तब यूज करते हैं जब सब्जेक्ट के बारे में जब हम कोई बात करते हैं and the object of a verb are the same. Subject and object verb के लिए दोनों जब same होते हैं, then these reflexive pronouns are used. For example, Gauri brought a dress for her. Here Gauri is a girl. She brought a dress for her. वो अपने लिए एक ड्रेस लेकर आई. For her, यहाँ पर हम क्या लिखेंगे? गौरी ब्रॉट अ ड्रेस फॉर herself. The dog hurt by it. डॉग ने अपने आप को हर्ट कर लिया. The dog hurt itself. This is wrong. We will write itself. Gauri brought a dress for her. Here, the object is reflecting back to the subject. Gauri is subject and her is object, which is reflecting back to the object. Then we use the reflexive pronouns. For Gauri, we will use herself. Next, the dog hurt by it. Dog ने अपने आप को hurt कर लिया. Here the subject is dog and it is the object. Here again it, which is the object, reflecting the subject back to the subject. So here we'll use the reflexive pronoun itself. So the correct sentence will be Gauri brought a dress for herself. Next, the dog hurt itself. The dog hurt itself. We have used reflexive pronoun for the subjects. The next way to use the compound personal pronoun is emphatic pronouns. Emphatic pronouns are compound personal pronouns such as himself, myself and yourself. These are used for emphasize when reflexive pronouns are used to emphasize the noun. They are called emphatic pronouns. Yes, emphatic pronouns वो words होते हैं जो कि subject अपने ऊपर जोर देके बोलता है. जैसे कि for example, she herself informed me. She is the subject. बारे में ये बोला जा रहा है कि उसने खुद मुझे inform किया. So this is emphasizing on the subject and they themselves saw it. They themselves. ये यहाँ पर subject जो है they and themselves is emphasizing on the subject they. So these are the emphatic pronouns which are used for emphasize. When reflexive pronouns are used to emphasize the noun, they are called emphatic pronouns. Students, in the assignment, exercise 1 and exercise 2 is given. You have to write on the new pages exercise 1 and 2 in your English grammar notebook. Look at the assignment given today and you write it in your English grammar notebook.